What are conditional sentences? So conditional sentences are used to describe what happens if a certain condition is met. They usually have two parts: if as a clause or condition, and main clause, the result. For example, if it rains, we will stay inside. So there are few types of conditional sentences. So the first one is zero conditional. In this type of conditional sentence, we talk about facts and general truth. The structure of the zero conditional sentence is if plus present simple tense and present simple tense. It is used to talk about universal truths or scientific facts. Example, if you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. If you don't water plants, they die. Then the next one is first conditional. It is about the real possibilities in the future. Its structure is if plus present simple tense plus will plus base verb. So its use is like to talk about the things that can happen in the future. If we talk about its examples, if you study, you will pass the exam. If it rains, we will take an umbrella. Then the next one is second conditional, the imaginary situation ones. In this, the structure of these type of sentence are if plus past simple, would, and plus base verb. So use of these type of sentences to talk about unreal and hypothetical situations. For example, if I were a bird, I would fly around the world. If he had a car, he would drive to work. So these are some examples. Then the next one is third conditional, regrets about the past. Its structure will be if plus past perfect, would have plus past participle. So its use is to talk about past situations that didn't happen. So let's see examples. If I had studied, I would have passed the test. Next is if she had left earlier, she wouldn't have missed the train. So these are the examples. So let's take the quick summary. Zero conditional talks about facts. If you touch fire, it burns. First conditional sentence talks about future possibility. If you eat healthy, you will stay fit. Second conditional talks about imaginary situations. If I were rich, I would travel the world. Third conditional talks about past regrets. If I had woken up early, I wouldn't have missed the flight. So these were all the types of sentences.